Hello! If you or someone you care about find smartphones difficult because of vision problems, this video is for you. The challenge is simple. They cannot see the screen. The solution is also simple. Step 1. Make the smartphone usable with your ears and fingers. Step 2. Install messaging apps that work with accessibility features. Today we cover 4 essential apps, all available in official stores with ratings of 4 stars or higher. Let's start with Step 1. Step 1 is making your smartphone accessible. Here are the 2 most important tools. Big Launcher. This Android launcher is designed for seniors, people with low vision, and the legally blind. It replaces your standard home screen completely. Instead of tiny icons, you get the essentials: phone, messages, camera, contacts, and emergency SOS. All in extra-large high-contrast buttons, single-touch interface, no accidental swipes or mistakes. Over 1 million downloads, rating 4.3 out of 5 stars. Android only. Android Accessibility Suite. Google's official accessibility toolkit pre-installed on most Android devices. It includes TalkBack, the screen reader that speaks everything on your screen out loud. With TalkBack, you navigate using gestures and hear descriptions of every button, message, and menu. It also includes Select to Speak and the Accessibility menu. Here is why this matters. Once TalkBack runs, you can use almost any messaging app: WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, video calls. All accessible through your ears and fingertips. Rating 4.0 stars, over 4 million reviews, more than 10 billion downloads. Free and built into Android. Now your smartphone is ready. Step 2. Messaging apps. Here are the 2 best messaging apps for blind and low vision users. Telelight, an unofficial Telegram client designed from the ground up for blind and low vision users. In active development since 2018. Official Telegram works with TalkBack but can be complicated. Telelight redesigns the entire interface. You customize exactly how TalkBack reads each message: sender name, time, read status, attachments. Turn elements on or off and choose the order. All Telegram features are here: text, voice messages, files, groups, channels, but simplified for screen reader users. Rating 4.0 stars, 140 reviews, updated July 2025 to version 11.9. Android only. Rhodes Audio Talk and Connect, a voice-first messaging platform. You do not type. You do not read text. You speak and listen. Create a private channel with family or friends. Record a voice message. They listen when ready and reply with their voice. Each conversation builds like a private podcast. You never type anything. The interface is just record, play, and navigate. If you can hear and speak, you can use this fully. Available on iOS and Android. Perfect 5.0 star rating on iOS with 20 reviews. Updated November 2025 to version 2.15. Key detail: developers explicitly state full voiceover support for blind and visually impaired users. They actively partner with the blind community. This app was built for vision-impaired users from day one. 2 steps complete. Quick summary: for tools, Android Accessibility Suite makes your phone usable with TalkBack. Big Launcher gives you large, simple buttons. For messaging, Rhodes Audio is voice-only, works on iOS and Android, designed for blind users. Telelight is simplified Telegram for Android with perfect screen reader support. All 4 apps available in official stores right now. Which one will you try first? Leave a comment with the app name. If this helped, subscribe and turn on notifications. I cover accessibility apps regularly. If you have used these apps, share your experience in the comments. Your feedback helps others. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.